Hi guys, welcome to my vlog and this is Everyday Vibes. For today's video is we are making fake money prank. So, naatay fake money diri guys. Og tanaw nato kung naabay mabiktima ani. So, dili na nato dugayon. Let's go! Diha nato guys gibutang ang fake money ug tan-aw nato kung naabay mabiktima. Diha oh. Diha nato gibutang.
Parang may naamoy akong di maganda.
Ito ano guys, so nabutang na ako dito guys. Ayan o, diya raw. Ito ara guys, nabutang na ako guys.
A few moments later.
Target locked.
Oh my God! Wow!
No, 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 no. Wait, wait, wait. Wait, 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 wait. Oh, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!